Salad. We are here at buffet. Oh, salad. Rujak. Seafoods. Tahong. Look at that. Beautiful. So the seafoods here. We are having a buffet. Look at that. And the fish. A big steamed fish. Oh. What is this? Wow, wow. Smells good. Prata. Oh, yellow rice. Pineapple Thai rice. Thai garlic beef. This is a Thai dish. And that is salmon. More, ate? Yeah. And what is this? Aglo clam. This is chicken rice. This is rice. And what is this? Lamb stew. It's a lamb. Roasted chicken. And this is the satay. Chicken satay. This is beef. Mutton satay. Thai green chili. Vegetables. Very spicy, that one. This is Thai tamarind prawn. Yeah. And what's others? Spicy Thai basil chicken. And this is the laksa. Tomato. Oh, that's soup. Thai soup. Whoa! Oh, look at this. Dessert. 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 I think I want to get the dessert. Hi. I think I want this. Yum. And this one.
It's nice.
I think this.
You think it's nice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
So
nice.
your advice.
Yeah, you take that.
Take the
I think
smaller
that's
piece.
yeah.
Yeah, can.
That's a
Yeah.
cassava, I think. And what is this here? Anything for you? And I want fruits. Hi.
Wow.
What's that?
Lungan.
Longgan? With still, may balat pa?
You want?
Yes, I want. Thank you. And what else I want?
Intermelon. Intermelon. Honeydew. You want?
Yeah, I want watermelon and pineapple.
Nag-mix.
Ay, ano ba yan? Bakit ganito? Never mind. Honeydew. One honeydew. Ano ba to? Okay. Hi. Oops.